What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We back with another video. And today, as y'all can see by the thumbnail, we about to go in before the rain come. Of course. Man, I said, y'all, hey, I can't sit still, man. I got to go to work. I got to give y'all this content. It's good footage. I mean, today too, this gonna be a learning video. So people that don't know, y'all know I love putting people on game about the rear end gears and all that. And I'm curious myself. Cause when we were driving Dolo, you know, with the 430s, it was an 8 mile per hour difference between the 15-inch wheels and the 26-inch wheels. So basically I can run like 60 mile per hour at 3,000 or 62 at 3,000, 60 to 62 miles per hour at 3,000 RPMs with the 430s. I put the 15s on and can't run but 52. So y'all saw in yesterday's vlog, you saw how fast I was going. Well, I didn't even show y'all. I just thought about it. I put the GoPro clip in there. I didn't even show y'all how fast I was going, man. But basically, yesterday when I was on the interstate, I was running 77 to 78 miles per hour. And y'all know this car got 14 gears in it. Now, I don't know the RPMs. That's the bad thing about it. I ain't got no tack in this car. I need to put one in. I think I'm going to do that. I might go buy a tack, put it in here, because it's going to need a tack anyway when I put the big block in it. So I might buy a tack, put it in here so we can really see what RPM we running at. But off top, I can listen to the engine. So I'm about to put these 26s on. We're gonna go up the interstate and we're gonna see how fast it run on the interstate with the 26s. I'm gonna see the difference in mile per hour. And then of course we're gonna turn them up. We got to turn them up, man. I'm gonna see. So 410s, this stock motor, because I know a lot of people want to do a setup like this, cause you know you get to build the engines and get a little expensive, even on the budget aspect. So this is a crate 350 straight from AutoZone, 410 gears. So this combination, this setup, y'all see I ride. It's an overdrive transmission. You can drive it every day. It ain't no problem. So we're gonna put the 26s on, and we're gonna see what it do. So I'm about to be out here in this hot sun for y'all putting this work in, man. So I'm about to get these rims rolled out since they just sitting. I'm going to put them on. I'm going to go ahead and do this. We're going to make the video. Then I'm going to take them right back off. Because they go on Dolo. They got to go back on Dolo. So let me get all my stuff and we're going to get to it. Alright. So I'm about to get the car jacked up. It's the only way to put the back wheels on, man. Normally, any other time, I would jack it up by the rear end or the rear axle is the proper time. But the car sits so low, Dolo and Big Meek, you have to jack it up one side at a time. That's why I always do the back first, and then I do the front last. Cause the front don't take long. The impact, best thing I ever bought, man. I keep telling you, really is best thing I ever bought. Right here, couldn't handle it. Cause y'all remember when I was doing this with the 4-way. This thing right here done spoiled me. Y'all going back on. Man, I do this so much, man. I need to be in NASCAR pit crew. Chances of that first pattern. Yes, indeed. It's hot out here too, boy. But I'm gonna get this footage for y'all though. But yeah, while I'm doing this, might well hit y'all some real talk. And man, I want to talk about chasing your dreams. Cause I've been doing my live streams on Facebook, trying to get people mindset in the game. And you know, I'm talking about, like, y'all know I work out all the time. I go in the gym, so I'm talking about how that correlate into life. Like, you got to go hard. Let me get this on first, though. Alright, let me get the cap, then we're gonna finish it up. But yeah, y'all, I'm talking about, you know, how, like, when you working out or something or anything, you got to go hard, man, if you want to achieve your goal. And it's the same thing with life and everything you're doing. Like, I done said before, if you ain't gonna give it more than 100%, my mentality is, why even do it? Why even start doing it if you ain't gonna give it more than 100%? Like, it ain't even worth it. So if you really want something bad enough, you do what you gotta do. But you know, you hear people all the time that say, I wish I can do this, or I wish I can do that. When in reality, they can. You just gotta really want to, cause think about it. When a person really wants something, they'll go get it. People make a way to get the stuff they really want. Y'all ever notice that? And everybody know that, that's true. To get the stuff they really want, people make a way. Every time, boy, I'm talking about they'll stop with everything they doing. If they really want something, people make a way. So you gotta treat your goals in life the same way. You gotta treat them like it's that real bad item, like it might be them rims or car part. But you gotta treat winning in life the same way. You gotta treat it like, hey man, I'm gonna do whatever I need to do to get whatever I need to get, or to achieve whatever I need to achieve. So that's my real talk for today. We got one on. It's not gonna sit like that, cause y'all know the side down. But last time we put them on, I only put one side on and make the car lean. So this gonna be the first time with all four on. So I ain't gonna bore y'all with seeing me put a tire on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it finished. Then we're gonna hit the road. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, we check it in. I got all the wheels on. We got all four of them on now. So that's how it sit. And then Big Meat actually got a little more clearance right here than on Dolo, for whatever reason. A whole lot more right here. Oh, matter of fact, I'm gonna tell y'all what, I think they've been cut out. Yeah, it been cut out. See, that's how I'm gonna do Dolo, y'all. So you can't even put the chrome back on here. Well, you got a few spots, but it been cut right there. I can't remember. Unc didn't do that. I think it was done while the car was gone. But y'all see the front seat a lot lower, called Big MEECH factory suspension all the way around. But it got the three-way adjustable shocks in the front, and it got some busted air shocks in the back. So let's see, we got all four of them on. So now we're gonna drive this thing up the highway right quick and see what kind of speed we running at with the 410s. So y'all can see. I remember now with the 15, it was running about 78 on the highway. So it should, with these wheels, it should run about 90 or something before you get up there in RPM. Cause like I said, probably about an 8 mile per hour difference. So you're gonna bring that 410 down, cause with the overdrive, it make it like a 390 gear, then this gonna chop it down. It probably be like a 73 or 380, somewhere up in that range. So I'm finna we finna crank this thing up and take it up the highway, and then y'all already know I'm gonna see if it'll turn them over. We got to while they on here. Then I'm gonna come back and let it cool off. Then we're gonna take them back off. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we got MEECH all fired up. We got the GoPro set up. And I'm gonna try to go to a road where ain't no traffic so I can get out, set this camera up on this tripod, which I need a new one, man. It takes so long to set this camera up now because the legs done got worn out. This little gorilla part. I have to show y'all what I be using, man. But so y'all see how I be having to get down. But it take a long time, but I'm finna get this GoPro running, so we finna jump from this camera to the GoPro, and I'm gonna show y'all the mile per hour and all that. So just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So I'm backing out the driveway. Something rough. fender. It's just when you're going straight though. And it's just on this side. So let me see what that is. Let me see what that is, y'all. Yeah, hit the fender well where the car sit at factory height on the front. So that's something you'll have to worry about. So we're gonna go and get down the driveway. As long as I know it ain't tearing my tire up, which it ain't. But when I get out in the road, we're gonna be good. So I'm gonna show y'all real world. This is what you have to deal with. Y'all see when I turn it a little bit, it stopped. So I ain't gonna go up the highway. We're gonna go see it's off of it now. But when you accelerate, you're gonna be on the gas, so you ain't gotta worry about that. And you can't turn that much in this car like that, cause you know your this thing not raised up in the front. This right here probably a no-go, because we ain't finna tear my tires up. See, when you accelerate, so I thought we were gonna show my problem. So when you accelerate, it keeps the front end up. Golly. It keep the front end up though, so it keep it off the tire. Yeah, that finna well tear my tire up. Turn this thing around and take it back to the house. It's scrubbing a little too bad, y'all. It turned pretty good though. It turned more than I thought. I know y'all hear that. Good God Almighty. So you gotta raise it. Yeah, it hitting the fender well. And you know when you turn, it make the car lean, so literally have to stay out the gate. Golly. Ooh, what? Ooh, that thing is nasty, boy. Yeah, we definitely ain't going nowhere. We going nowhere foreign these. I normally don't do that right here by my crib, but today is the day. I got to get this footage for y'all. They be shooting guns and everything out here, so why can Big Meech not test? Let me set the camera up right here by the house anyway. Back in the car, let's see what it do.